This is the world's longest limo. Look at this. And it's so long. Look, you can land a helicopter on the back. Isn't that insane? Look at all the wheels. 24 wheels on this limousine. You've also got a pool on the back of this car. And you've got a putting green. That's what everyone wants. Now, watch this. Here is the interior. Come look this. It can fit up to 75 people. Look at this. Look how long this is. Look at the wheels. All of them turning. Now this set the world record for the longest car in 2003